Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the Gold Bots. So this is just one of my account. Basically you can actually use the same account which you trade GBP USD and install the Gold Bots together under one account, or you can choose to open a new account and just have the new account dedicated just to trade gold. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to install the Gold Bots. But first of all, you need to actually get the gold symbol. Some of the forex broker, the symbol for gold is SAUUSD. For XM broker, the symbol is gold for standard account, and for micro account you need to open up the gold micro symbol. Okay, before that you need to have the license key for version 3.3, right? So this is the license key, and you need to download the Gold Bots from version 1.0A to Z. So total got 10 files, so you need to copy, and same thing, go to the file menu, open data folder, under MQL4, under experts, and paste the file inside, right? So these are the 10 files, and after that what you need to do is to open 10 gold chart. So what you need to do is right click, do it for 10 times, chart window 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, what you do is to maximize it first. So what you have is the existing GU chart, or if you are using a new account, so you basically you have 10 chart for gold. So this is the first one. So just now we copy the files into the expert advisor folder. So what you need to do is right click on expert advisor and refresh it, and you will have these 10 files here. So what you need to do is attach one by one. For the entry lot size, so I plan to use this account and just to trade gold only. So based on my formula, my recommendation is for standard account is equity divided by 200,000. So in this case I have 10k fund inside, so my entry lot size is 0.05. So what you need to do is, once you confirm your entry lot size, copy the license key and you attach one by one. So I'm going to stop the auto trading first. So you click, just drag, paste the license key and put in the entry lots. The rest use default. Okay, so this version 1.0A will do the same, but please take note that see the time frame, the bot will actually auto set for you for the time frame. So by default we open all the new charts in H1, and when we attach the bot to the chart, the bot will actually auto set the time frame. So let's do it for version B. So same thing, you put in the license key and then start the entry lots. So you see, you auto set the time frame. Let's do it for version C. Okay, 0.05. Please take note that because I'm recording this video on Friday, and for gold trading the default Friday stop hour is at 22. So which means if I allow live trading, means the bot will start trading. So that's why I untick allow live trading first. You see trading hour is still here, so let's do it for C, and now I do it for version D. Okay, same thing, paste license key, set the entry loss. So this is version D, version E, same thing, paste the license key, set the entry loss. See the time frame the bot will auto change. Let's do it for F. Okay, entry lot size, EF, now G, same thing, then the license key and the entry lots, G, then H, and do it for version I, and do it for version J. Okay, so right now we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So this is how you set up the bots, and you can actually, if you want it, you can tile it, and you can see all the bot itself, but of course you can't see the version. So what you can do is preferable, you can actually maximize it. So that's how you look at the individual chart. That's how you do, right? Thank you.